Hi folks, David Creative Crafthouse to show you our new Sum 15 game. I've designed this as kind of an educational fun tool, mainly for the younger crowd, let's say ages 4 through 12. But it just could be a kind of fun game for anybody, a little bar type game. What we've got here is this floorboard board, laser engraved some instructions in here. And there's some permanent posts that you see sticking up here. And then we've got these 6 rings. And I cut these from nice thick acrylic. And there'll be 2 colors. The colors will probably vary. The goal is to, by alternating turns, be the first to sum to 15. Okay, and you can see there's the digits 1 through 9 there. If you're familiar with the magic square 15, it uses the same kind of logic. Related to tic-tac-toe, believe it or not, if you lay these out in a grid, but I've laid them out differently so you can focus on the math. For example, if someone moves here to, the other guy might move here. Someone 2, let's see, 2 and 6. And I have to think now as yellow, ooh, how do I block? This person has 2 plus 6 or 8. How do I block? Ah, the 7 will block. Now green has to think, ooh, he's got 5 and 7 is 12. How do I block him from getting 15? And the green would have to move there. And that would end up being a draw game. But there is some thinking required, as you can see, and a little bit of fun, especially for the younger kids. There's also some math lessons you can do on the board. Notice how the odd numbers are on the bottom. Notice how the even numbers are on the top. You can challenge the child or the student with, okay, pick a number, make a sum of 17 using just odd numbers. Okay, so the child's got to go and think, oh, how do I do that? Or make a sum of 17 using a mixture of odd and even numbers. In other words, you can make your own challenges using the board as just kind of a little tool to have some fun with. All right, it's a nice floorboard backing, so it's got some good sturdiness to it. And I hope it's something that you can enjoy. Thanks, this is David Creative Crafthouse, made in our Hudson, Florida shop.